G'day all, Elmer here, your local mortgage advisor from Pentastic Finance. So today we're going to talk about assessment rate. The assessment rate is the interest rate the banks use to calculate the monthly repayment on all your home loans. It is similar to the market rate you and I both see in the media and often talk about. However, it's usually higher. So, for instance, the market interest rate on a $600,000 mortgage could be 2% at the moment. But when the bank does its assessment, they will add another 3% on top of the 2% to calculate your monthly repayment. So, in this example, your actual monthly repayment for a $600,000 mortgage at 2% interest rate is $2,218. However, the bank will calculate the monthly repayment at 5%, which is their assessment rate. So what this means is all of a sudden your monthly repayment jumps up to $3,221. So that's a buffer of just over $1,000. Now, the assumption is that if you could make the repayment at 5% when the actual rate is 2%, then the bank is more than likely to approve your application, because they know that in the event of interest rate going up, you will still be able to make your monthly repayment. So they're likely to, in this case, they're likely to approve your application if your application meets other lending criteria as well. Now, there are some changes being made to the assessment rate as of 1st of November 2021, which is in about 2 weeks' time. And the reason behind that is we all know the market has been really hot recently, and the housing affordability is becoming a hot topic again. So to slow down the market growth, APRA, Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, has mandated all commercial banks to increase their assessment rate from currently 2.5% to 3% in order to sort of tighten up residential lending. So this change might or might not affect your borrowing capacity depending on how much you're borrowing and what what your LVR is and other factors. But the bottom line is that the cost of borrowing, i.e. interest rate, will remain low for quite some time. I personally don't think RBA will come out and increase the rate in the near future. However, the bar is definitely being raised in terms of who can get their loan application approved. So in short, that's what assessment rate is, and how it might or might not affect your borrowing capacity. That's it for today. Again, give me a call or shoot me an email if you have any questions around property financing, and I'll be more than happy to find the answers for you.